What's up, everybody? Got a nice one for you. Old Quik Connect. Old Kingpin Quik Kit. Yeah, I don't recommend using them. I'll show you why. The funny thing about it is I actually put this set in about 2 years ago. Maybe a little less. Somewhere around 2 years ago. And I don't know what's come about, but it got tore up. I was out of town. A mechanic came out here to take care of it. He beat on it for a day and a half, couldn't get it out, and apparently he used torches and all kinds of stuff. And got home from work the other day, and the guy called me and he told me what was up. He's like, "Man, I had somebody trying to get this Kingpin out for a day and a half, and they ain't been able to do it." He's like, "What's your tricks to getting these out?" I was like, "Man, ain't no trick." I don't have the $10,000, $3,000 tool to do it. I just beat them out normally. I said, "I'll come down there and look at it." So, I figured I'd knock it out in about 20 minutes. Well, about 3.5 hours later, I got it out. And, but this right here is what happened. Like I say, I'd already got home, so it was about 4 o'clock or so. I got down here, and so now everything's got to be replaced. It's bad. The bottom, naturally it's not bad. I don't know if you can see that. There it is. But yeah, the mechanic had it all up, tore apart and everything, but it messed up the axle and the that's what I'm talking about, the Quik kit, Kingpin Quik kit. And it tore up the spindle. Of course it probably could have been caught a long time ago, but I don't know exactly what happened. And there was the Kingpin. So I guess basically what I'm saying is I don't believe in them Quik sets no more. But, a year and a half it's wore slap out. Done chewed up the whole front axle, the spindle, everything. So I don't know if I'm trusting them anymore. That's for sure.